Zoogether Day.
Everyone, welcome. Have fun. Happy Zoogether Day, everyone.
Have fun party.
Welcome in French is straight on forward.
Both sides are open. Grab your glasses. Head on in. Both sides are open. Grab your glasses. Head on in.
thank you.
And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the door on the left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone.
Let's get wild.
Clap your paws. Stop your hooves. I want to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
It's Zoogether Day, featuring special live performances from across Zootopia and an unforgettable concert finale from superstar DaVinci. With your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! T-shirt! 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 And surprise! One of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, our lucky guest!
Oh,
No, the slot!
Me? I'm so excited.
Whatever it. Come on up! And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser.
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. You need to be responsible.
Which button?
That's totally standard. Okay.
Oh, this one.
No,
That
careful.
one?
This last big
I'm
one.
really mad at this.
Don't miss the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes.
Wow! Hooray for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
We need you to fill in vibes.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay. Oh, Tundra Town. No. Oh, there it is. Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashlow.
Kozlov.
Kozlov.
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Oh, special effects.
Why snowflakes on fire?
Oh, wow. Judy, Nick,
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea.
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that bud. Partner, you wanna grab a leg?
Detectives Hobson Wild investigating the
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be endangered. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter together.
The marsh is dried up. Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you out. Nibbles, we need to know if anyone saw anything. Okay. Hey, bub. 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 Say who did this? Seriously? Wool. It was clocked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Little Rodentia.
Time to make like a tree, man.
Bark.
What?
Let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shrimp Angels. Hi, it's your girl, Frou Frou. In Little Rodentia, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute.
Hey, we're gonna get iced.
Daddy, I like one.
Oh, look out. Miss Frou Frou.
Good luck, ladies.
next is the concert!
We're in pursuit. Zootopia. It's dance, you party animals. Happy Zoogether Day.
Hey, move you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo!
Closer.
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief.
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Saving Zoogether Day, Chief.
Hey! Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks.
Oh, you think his head has a lot of flies? You should see it.
Wait.
Whoa!
Oh no! That's Gazelle's biggest fan!
They're gonna ruin the finale. That's it. Nick, I got it. I know who's behind this.
Gazelle!
Hey, Tamron. Closer. Beware of
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection! Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yes.
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi. Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together.
No.
Let's make the world a better place. Ba, ba, ba. Ah, sheep.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Oh, Gazelle!
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, VIZ.
Oh, the best day ever!
Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
Dream a dream, make a wish upon a whisker as a team.
Here we go.
Joining up as brothers,
Sister, put your paw in mine.
we're pouncing toward a better day.
Yikes.
Tails intertwined, we raise our hearts and we'll say,
Oh, really?
hop on our train of thought. Toot toot.
I think they've seen a lot.
Great! We love what we got, it's a melting pot. We are united in every way. Neighbor to neighbor.
Predator.
So raise your voices, come on and say. Let's all unite for Zoogether Day.
We love you, Zootopia.
Don't forget to stop or you'll turn and trot out the doors to your left. Please drop your glasses in barrels. Have a great Zoogether Day.
Or maybe it's not available.